this side because they couldn't get this one over to me as yet. So I'm just doing some little, the glass got to cut out, and you got to let the owner know, unfortunately, because there's rust coming up like crazy. See them inside here? Not going to be good when you paint the car, right? It's going to lap and come back out. See, it's right there coming out, coming on the outside. Plus it already started from the inside here too. So it started on this edge and started on the edge here. So this part might look good to them, but that don't mean that inside here is good. So that's a problem. See that? So I start to clean him up, and now I come over here and I find it in here too. See it there? When you take a look, you see it's starting to sweat right inside there. Nobody sees it, but it's gonna come out here, and it's all over there, you know, up there, over there. There's one starting to sweat there, starting to sweat there, starting to sweat. So definitely has to come out, you know. And you can see it here. Look at that little rust all over this place there, you know what I'm saying? I gotta clean up this baby. See that? Right where the screw hole comes from there. So I'm just playing around with it until they get it to the Rasta man. Here's the Z28, I tell you. I am gonna make sure all the paint disappear and you're gonna see metal look like a DeLorean car. Look at it, baby. Show the owner. I want the owner to see what we talk about when we say we get rid of your paint and clean it up, get rid of the rust, and now we're ready to lay on that black epoxy rust protection primer. Put that camera on these edges and show my friend how we take care of everything, baby. We clean him up, my friend. Under the running board, look under there, get that camera up under that running board so that he can see that we don't play around here, baby. Yeah, man, everything clean like a whistle, my friend. Come around the back here. Look at that baby. That's how you do it, you know? We clean him. We look for that rust. We go after that rust like a madman. We don't like him, so we make sure we go after him and get rid of him. So no complaint. We don't like rust. Rust don't like us. Because we don't like it, so we murder us when he comes here. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, man, there you go, my friend. Pure metal, no paint.
That's just incredible.
That's.
Last time you were talking about what was happening there.
Look inside here, look, everything clean. You see all these are the clips to put back your molding. Nothing lost, everything cleaned up. It was all rust around, you remember? All the way, see it? All the way we went into, you can see it. Look, right in there. Went in. So I had to clean. So now we're going to put the rust killer. And then we use the bond, two-part bond, and get rid of that. Perfect. No sweating, no bleeding. Perfection. Inside here. Oh, yeah. His door jams up in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. You get inside there, man. He knows his car, so when he sees it, he's gonna go, where's my paint? Man, the guy got rid of my paint for real. And then we find some body work. Yeah, there was some body work on it where it was damaged. So they had to do some, oh yeah. Here, some filler work was done here to move that. And a couple other spots here I found. Yeah, there's a dent over that one here, like it had a little tuck here. Nothing major, but he got a little scoop there. And I guess he think I don't know. Watch, I'm gonna tell him now. He's gonna say, oh shit, this guy found my accident. He had an accident right here. Looked like he was coming out of a garage or something, and he scraped here, sinked it, right? So when I start cleaning, I found filler all the way there. I said, oh, what's going on there? And then I come down again, we find some more, a little bit here and there was. Not much damage, but it was just the back there and over that side. So otherwise, it wasn't too much of a damage, like, you know, smash here and there like the other car. No, this guy is pretty clean. He did a good job. I think he's the original owner, right? So he didn't really crash her like some people crashed him. So I'm pretty happy with this thing. As you can see up here, it was all rust around there. See, same thing I told you, I cleaned him. Beautiful. See that? He knows exactly what's going on once he looks at it. You're gonna say, yeah, man, I can see it. And compliment of Paul. Have a great day, each and every one. Love ya.